If you've been looking for a Linux distro that feels familiar without sacrificing performance, AnduinOS 2.0 might surprise you. After trying it out, the first thing I noticed was how polished everything feels. It's based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, but strips away a lot of the unnecessary extras like snap and telemetry, giving you a cleaner, more lightweight experience while still keeping full APT compatibility. The Windows 11-inspired layout makes the transition incredibly easy, especially if you're switching from Windows. The interface is modern, responsive, and customizable without feeling overwhelming. Performance also feels snappy thanks to desktop optimizations and the latest Linux kernel 7. What I really like is that it doesn't try to reinvent Linux. Instead, it focuses on refining the Ubuntu experience with better defaults, privacy, and a cleaner desktop. That said, it's still a relatively new distro, so it doesn't have the massive community you'll find with Ubuntu or Linux Mint. But if you're comfortable with that trade-off, it's a solid choice. Overall, AnduinOS 2.0 is one of the most polished Ubuntu-based distributions I've used in 2026. If you want a fast, modern, and beginner-friendly Linux experience, it's definitely worth checking out.